Beautiful little hotel, got a suite room renovated recently. 5 minutes walk to the Louvre Museum. Breakfast buffet was included. 5-star hotel like. Definitely recommend it here to stay if you come to Paris. Excellent hotel with excellent staff. Loic is exemplary and above par in his service. Made sure I was comfortable and happy during my stay at Normandy. The room I stayed in is squeaky clean and beyond compare, with a balcony overlooking cafes, Eric Kaiser Patisserie and part of the Louvre. The cafes surrounding Normandy are excellent. I will come back and will recommend Normandy to my friends and colleagues. Kong Sachungikaman Pemian Chwekogi Sukso Wichi, Room Conditioning Malta Al Lawipsi Chweko Yasiyo Hotari Chimpancha Kurori Moteling Chungi Rapokdona Kurin Katuria Sisan Hachi Nachi Man Kurin Pokto Rul China Room Aether Rikamian Hankuko Sinkup Hotel Suchungi Rimiki Dari Kawisionolko Kaku Tako Tiki Hua Chong Silumit Yoksi Renumumuch Oio Remoteling Chungi Ri Ikakukin Shimoru Kachi Man Remoteling Huedo Kakaki Chikun Kwekatamian Pariol Temati Yiki Iyongol. Great hotel, great location. This is a great eclectic hotel, steps from the Louvre, the scene in multiple metro stations. I cannot say enough good things about the staff as they were great to us. French and modern. The room is beautiful. French windows that open to balconies, big spacious room with modern luxurious amenities, shower and bath fixtures plus toiletries are top-notch, king bed very comfortable. Plus it's right next to the Louvre, malls, cafes etc. Love it. Best hotel ever. This is not your traditional hotel, and it is still undergoing renovations, but the location and the refurbished rooms are stellar. We always stay at the Normandy, free breakfast too. Staff was exceptional. The staff were really very friendly and welcoming. Always willing to help make your stay better. To the gentleman who helped me at check-in, thanks for settling my room issue so I did not have to change my room halfway through my trip.